Did you know that Havana is a city full of undiscovered travel treasures? Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we will uncover the fascinating travel facts about the captivating capital of Cuba. So get ready for an adventure. But, before we start, remember to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the vibrant music scene of Havana, where the streets come alive with colorful performers and infectious rhythms. Immerse yourself in the energy of Havana as musicians fill the air with their captivating melodies and people dance to the beat. Explore the iconic landmarks of Havana, from the lively Malecon to the historic streets of Old Havana. Discover the heart and soul of Havana, a city known for its vibrant music scene and rich cultural heritage. Join music enthusiasts from around the world as they gather to experience the diverse genres and rhythms of Cuban music. Feel the passion and joy as live music performances ignite the dance floor, creating unforgettable moments. Step onto the vibrant streets of Havana, where the rhythm of salsa, rumba, and sun fills every corner. Experience the lively atmosphere as colorful buildings and bustling streets become the backdrop for music and dance. Discover the origins and infectious rhythms of salsa, a dance and music genre that originated in Cuba. Let the lively beats of salsa move your feet and ignite your spirit as you join the dance floor. Experience the vibrant energy of rumba, an Afro-Cuban music and dance genre known for its complex rhythms and expressive movements. Let the mesmerizing sounds of rumba transport you to a world of passion and rhythm, where every movement tells a story. Immerse yourself in the unique sound of son, a Cuban music genre that combines Spanish and African influences. Feel the irresistible urge to move as the infectious sun rhythms fill the air, inviting you to join the dance. Discover the popular music venues in Havana, where talented musicians captivate audiences with their soulful performances. Experience the magic of live music in intimate settings, where every note resonates with the spirit of Havana. Bring your dancing shoes and let the rhythm guide your every move as you immerse yourself in the vibrant music scene of Havana. Dance the night away and create memories that will last a lifetime in the lively and energetic atmosphere of Havana. Ready to explore the vibrant music scene in Havana? Visit local music venues and let the rhythm take you on a journey of a lifetime. Don't miss out on the opportunity to experience the joy of dancing and the infectious music that makes Havana come alive. So there you have it, whether you're a culture enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or a music lover, Havana has something for everyone. Explore every corner of this fascinating city and unveil its untold stories. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and for more travel tips and ideas, please subscribe to our channel.